Saturday, December 8th, 2023. Second leg of our little test drive excursion with the motorhome. Leaving Cartersville on US 41, going to take US 411, Georgia 20, out by that big battery plant. Then on up to the Rome bypass, out to our merchant. We got about 4 behind us, so as soon as we get on the 4 lane, they can come around. We're going to get over here to the right and let them have it. Come on, zoom zoom. Some of this peanut brittle we got is, I don't know what to say about it. I'll let you see it. There. We should have got some at Bucky's last night. I bet theirs would have been good. All this new development over here coming out of Cartersville. A lot of residential over there. One of those apartments. Commercial over here. Residential over there to the left. We gave you a look at the back on the first video. I guess we can give you a look at the back on the second one too. Nikki still got her Santa Claus hat on, eating peanut brittle.
Still being naughty. But don't tell Santa. Cruising along here about 45, everybody else is running 65. And the speed limit is 65. All that land out there has been cleared, ready for development. In the distance, I don't know if you can see it with this camera or not, those cranes sticking up in there. There's that big battery plant up there on the right. This road here to the right goes down to a big area that's ready to for something. Bartow Center. Coming up on that battery plant now. This is a huge place. These places are massive. Bridge landing to the left, where you can put in on the Etowah River. Kingston to the right. 293 takes you through Kingston. No need us going around that log truck, you just come back around us again. We're in Kingston city limits, but that's just the outskirts. I think Kingston annexed this stuff so they'd have commercial tax land on commercial taxes, or commercial taxes on land. Kingston Park, I don't know what well, that's another industrial development there, I guess. I don't think it looked like residential. About 2 o'clock in the afternoon. .59 degrees. 60. It was saying 63 for today, but now it's saying 60 and 50 for tonight. 65 and 57 tomorrow night. It'll be milder. 61 and then 30 Sunday night, so it's going to drop on down. 49 and 24 Monday night. 55 and 28 Tuesday. Here in northwest Georgia. Barnsley Resort. I haven't been out that road, I don't think, but it'll take you to Barnsley Resort. Now up here is another landing on the left where you can put in at the Etowah River. Closed from left to right. Neil's Landing, I think it said. They grow a lot of cotton and a lot of corn up here. North of Cartersville, and what they're doing now, coming off of 75 at I guess it's Red Top Mountain Road, and now they've got it as the old Alabama extension. It goes out by the Cartersville Airport. They're 4-laning it all the way from 75 over to Rockmart. You'll be able to come up 75 and get off there and go 4-lane all the way over to Rockmart. That's opening up the whole bottom southwest area of Rome, Floyd County, north of Bartow County. Auto auction up here on the left. I need to come up here and check out, see what kind of deal they got, or how much the vans and stuff are going for. I saw a Chevrolet van up here the other day. Might be able to get a deal on one. Nobody's coming behind us on the left, but we got one car behind us. Look like about 30, 40 feet behind off our bumper. Why don't they just come around? We've got, what did we start off with, Vicky? 15,000 something miles. We got 15,101. I think we started off with 15,045. So we've been about 56 miles. Little pond over there. I'm gonna call it a lake. It's not big enough to be a lake, but it's a nice little pond. A lot of trees down in it. An interesting little cemetery there too. Junkyard. I don't think they like to be called junkyards anymore. Welcome to Rome, Georgia. We are entering Floyd County. This upgraded battery is on yellow. I can't tell how much charge is left in it. We're probably just going to let it run till it runs out or gets hot and cuts off, or until we get to US 27 North and turn it on. Whatever comes first. But if it just goes off without me saying, you know, that it's a wrap and we're turning it off, then you'll know that the GoPro just cut off on its own. It got mad, it got hot, got its feelings hurt, something or other, but it just decided to cut off. It does that. Blackbirds up there, or crowbirds. I can't tell if those are big enough to be crowbirds or blackbirds up the top of that tree. There's about 40 of them now. Whatever they were. All the gauges look good. Everything's looking good. Riding good. Driving good. Late fall afternoon. route. US 27, Georgia 1. Calhoun, Somerville, to the right. Rome Tennis Center to the right. Georgia 293, we'll be crossing Georgia 293. We will also cross Georgia 53. And coming up here, we will be crossing over the Etowah River. And this time it will be flowing from right to left into Rome. And up here where this bridge is where these two ladies were found murdered, what, 2 years ago now, whatever it was. I think I heard the other day something about some arrest associated with this case. There are probably some little flowers on the right side up here at the bridge. There usually are. But I don't see any right now. Crossing over the Etowah River. Now, if the camera lasts long enough and doesn't cut off, we will also cross the Oost-Tanala River. There are ball fields and all out there on the right. Bit of a detour, not too much, but we did get to change the battery and let the camera cool off a little bit, so we should be able to make it till we get to US 27 Georgia 1. But we are on Georgia 293 right now. We'll turn left and get back on the bypass. From the right, we will turn left to go back the way we were, to continue going the way we were going.
Let's see.
Yeah, Kingston would be straight ahead on Georgia 293. We're turning left and we'll stay on the Rome bypass. Limit's 55, we're running about 50. Here is the Floyd County Sheriff, or either the Rome Police. That's the Rome Police. Got your insurance card with you, Vicky?
You got money to bail me out?
I'm driving. I need money to bail, but you need money to bail me out. Okay, coming up on Georgia Highway 53, to the right is Calhoun, to the left is Rome. So you go through Rome, go out the southwest side, you go keep going over into Alabama. To the right, you'll cut across a long arc across North Georgia over to Watkinsville. Lately, we need to get a train. The last train we got was the ride we got on the locomotive. Boy, that's a little boy's dream. I was just hoping for a tour, and the guy said, well, we can give you a ride. Get on. I said, okay. Here is Georgia Highway 53. Did I say that something else was 53 a minute ago? Anyway, this is 53. I don't know what that was. I give out so much wrong information. Oh, I give out so much wrong information. But yeah, here's right. Will take you up through past Shannon, on up into Calhoun, and left will take you to Rome. I don't know what that road was then. Well, I say 10 till 3, Rome, Georgia. I don't think I've ever seen those apartments up here on the right before. There's a bunch of stuff up here on the right. passed by the baseball stadium. They're changing the name of the team from the Braves to the what's? What, Vicky? What'd you say? Penguins? Rome Penguins. How about that? There's the stadium of the Rome Penguins, folks. Now we will be crossing over the Oostanala River here in just a second. And it comes out of North Georgia, goes into Tennessee and comes back, but it's formed by two different rivers. I think the Conasauga and the something else, I think. But we're crossing over the Oostanala here now, and when Oostanala and the Etowah converge down in just about the heart of Rome, they form the Coosa, and then flows southwest into Alabama. Now this was cornfield this year. A lot of times it's cotton. I guess they rotate the crops. They know what they're doing. And the Georgia State Patrol, the Floyd County Sheriff, and the Rome City Police like to sit on this road. This is a money-making road. Just a bit of information for you. They like to sit right in here. They like to sit over the hill. Speed limit is 45. We're running 45. Center to the left. I think they've just built a little motel there. Yes, I can't tell what it is, but some kind of little motel, motel. I think one of them has a courtyard, doesn't it? And the other one doesn't. What's the difference between a motel and a hotel? Not this light, but the next light, we're going to be turning this off. It'll be a wrap. That'll be US 27, Georgia Highway 1. Gas is $3.15 here. We've been seeing it for $2.89. This racetrack always seems like this gas is high here. Okay, well, let's turn it off. This will be a wrap, and we'll see y'all on the next one, I guess. Unless we've made you mad. I'm going to add some, I'm going to start adding some pictures to the end of these videos. Maybe you like it, maybe you won't, I don't know.